In this video, I'm going to present on the topic present continuous tense. There are three parts in my presentation: structure of this tense, uses of this tense, adverbials used with this tense. Let me start with number one, structure of this tense. Please have a look at this. One is equal to he, she, it. Two is equal to they, we, you. Three is equal to I. Now let me give you structures for all the three categories. Structure number one. One plus, is plus, verb plus, ing. Here, one is equal to he, she, it. Examples: he is studying, she is writing, it is moving. Let me go to the second structure. 2 plus, are plus, verb plus, ing. Here, 2 is equal to they, we, you. Examples: they are studying, we are writing, you are singing. And third structure, 3 plus, am plus, verb plus, ing. Here, 3 is equal to I. Example: I am writing. Am is used only with action verbs. Now, let me go to the second part of my presentation, uses of this tense. There are 4 uses for this tense. Let me start with the first one. Uses number 1. This tense is used for those actions or events that are happening at the time of speaking. Example: they are playing now. When I say the sentence, they are playing now, here action is playing. And action is happening at the time of speaking. Uses number 2. This tense is used for those situations that are not happening now, but which are of limited duration. Example: she is attending dance lessons nowadays. Action is not happening now, but which is of limited duration. Uses number 3. This tense is used for an action that is planned or arranged to take place in the near future. Example: they are going to the library tomorrow. Here, action is planned, which is going to take place in the near future. Uses number 4. This tense is used to express intention or a likelihood, and it indicates a future time. Example: you are going to pass. Now, let me go to the third part of my presentation, adverbials used with this tense. Adverbs or adverbial phrases used with this tense are now, at the moment, these days, nowadays, at present, still, etc. Now, let me give you some important note about this tense. This tense is not used with the verbs denoting 1. Mental activities, think, feel. Number 2. Verbs of senses, hear, see. Number 3. Verbs of possession, belong and own. Number 4. Other verbs, concern, contain. This tense is not used with the verbs denoting all the 4 categories of verbs. For more examples, you can check the description. Thank you very much.